Ayan. So again, good evening po sa lahat ng mga nandito. Good evening po sa ating mga kaibigan from the press. Thank you so much po for gracing our event tonight. Mga guests natin, the parents of course na nandito, and most especially po, the kids. Ayan. The center of our event for tonight. Ayan. So maraming salamat po sa mga nandito. And also I would like to acknowledge special thanks po to our producers as well, who made this event possible. Let's give a round of applause po, number one, for Miss Jane Alonte. Ayan. Thank you so much. And of course, also Miss Ann Torres. Thank you so much. Thank you so much po for believing and supporting our kids. Now, ngayong gabi po, we are excited to finally introduce our newest and biggest project from Fire Talent Academy, which is ang Fire Squad. So Fire Squad is not just any children's show po. It's a celebration of every kid's voice, talent, and imagination. Dito, mga bata po mismo yung kita natin. They get to host, they get to perform, explore, and of course, share stories, all from their own point of view as a kid. Kasi sa Fire Squad po, we believe na bawat bata merong fire within. Kumbaga, that spark of passion, creativity, waiting to shine. Now, every episode po from Fire Squad, ito yung mga kakabangan natin. Every episode will be full of color, fun, music, and of course, learning. May segments tayo like Fire Spotlight, kung saan makikita natin yung mga talented kids natin. Smart Sparks, for fun and experiment and trivia, so more on the sciencey stuff. Ayan. Fire Talk, where kids share their thoughts and feelings. On the Move, para sa mga field adventures where they get to travel and see the world. And of course, Little Heroes, stories ng mga kabataan na gumagawa ng kabutihan para sa kanilang komunidad, sa kanilang communities. Ganda, di ba? Now, this show po, Fire Squad, it's a mix of entertainment with a heart, kwento, tawa, and of course, inspiration. All coming from our very own young stars of Fire Talent Academy. Now, through the show, we want to give every child the confidence to speak up, the courage to perform, and the joy of being seen and heard of, which is the most important part as a kid. Because when we let the kids shine to kasi, the whole world shines with them. And I hope everyone's agrees here. Tama naman po, di ba? Through the show, we want to give every child the confidence to speak. And so yung sinabi kanina, when we support the kids po, the whole world will shine with them. Fire Squad is more than just a show. It's a movement of young voices, fueled by passion and purpose. And tonight, as we officially launch it, we invite everyone to join us in igniting this flame of youthful and radiance and expression. So, maghanda na po tayo lahat. Get ready. Kasi the future is bright. The energy is unstoppable. And of course, the fire has just begun. Maraming salamat po. And again, welcome po to Fire Squad.
Once again, Fire Squad, Elisa. Here's Elisa. And after this, we have the question and answer from the press. We have one first two questions only for our kids and of course for our producer and director. Once again, Fire Squad, Elisa. Okay, let's move on. Fire Squad, Dion. Palakpakan naman natin si Dion. Napakagawang para. Dion, you can see upstairs. There's Elisa. Aisha. Alicia. Congratulations. You can sit there. Let's welcome Fire Squad, Abba. Abba or Eva? Nasa na si Eva. Parang si Junior Eduardo. Congratulations. Let's welcome Fire Squad, Vienna. Cyprian. Cyprian. This is Brian. Galing sa Brian. Palakpakan naman natin si Brian. Followed by Fire Squad, Rob. Nasaan si Rob? Where's Rob? Yan na. Nakapagawa ko ni Rob. Let's give a round of applause for Rob. And after Rob, let's go with Fire Squad, Atara. The name. Atara. There's Atara. Followed by Fire Squad, Cody. So man in white, si Cody. Pero definitely hindi kompleto ang contract signing without the people behind the Fire Squad. Ayan, panaharin mo natin si Cody. You can go out, Cody. Ayan, mapunta sa gitna. So let's welcome our producer, Sir Renz Baron Puales. Kalapag naman natin si Sir Renz. And of course, the director, Danielle Moore. Governor. Okay, ready to have the picture first. Photo all first, the one our media friends. Baby, please can you stand up first? Para ikaw will have a picture sa your face. And go stand up. And look first a little. Go first, come